Let's go, everyone. This is a very special unboxing because it's the first unboxing from a sponsor. So not really a sponsor, but the homies over at Matein, I think that's how you pronounce it, hit me up, sent me some of their products, and yeah, they sent it to me for free to try out and to unbox on my awesome channel that is growing because of all you wonderful viewers. And this is the Matein Toiletry bag. So let's go. Thanks for hooking it up. It's pretty cool that they sent it for free and reached out, and they were super nice. So let me show you. All right, so that's their logo. Lifetime warranty. All right, here we go. Two of them, what? Let's go. 2-pack. Okay. All right. No, it's let me check this out. Okay, so inside is the material is like seems like it'll dry fast. Okay, so some small pockets in here. Liking the color, looks pretty spacious. Oh, handle. Okay, so it looks like pretty legit toiletry bag. I could definitely use this when I travel. So shout out to Matein for sending this to me. Liking the texture. Guess this is a handle. Alright, what's this? Okay, do not eat. Keeps it fresh. Oh, is this the exact same one? Yeah, it looks like a 2-pack, so. Yeah, nothing different about this. They have their logo all over print on the inside. Oh, let me check out this outer pouch. Zipper seems pretty good quality and same type of material. It's like the, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's like if it were to get dirty from your deodorant, whatever you have in your toiletry bag, it seems easy to clean. So there you have it. Send me your stuff, guys. Hit me up. I'll open it. Better get to me before the channel pops off. Let's go. Only 40 subs now, but growing. Thanks, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this random unboxing video. Please like and subscribe for more, and hit me up if you want me to open your product on my channel. All right, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.